Hey, Sean here, Chester Paul Company. We're sitting here in a pile of carbon block today to talk about carbon block and talk about deals we're going to give you on carbon block. First off, let's get out of the way. This is quality carbon block. Our partners who we work with to make the Chester Paul line of carbon blocks are the best. Starting with the CTO line, which is chlorine, taste, odor, your standard reduction that you're going to get out of a carbon block. Comes in your standard sizes, 10, 20 inch slim, 10, 20 inch, 4.5 for your big blue sizes. So a step up from your CTO block is your VOC 5 micron claim block. There you get a whole host of VOC claims and a good deal of chlorine reduction. Standard 5 micron, 10, 20 slim, 10, 20, 4.5 or big blue sizes. From there you jump to your 1 micron cyst rated block. Your cyst rated block comes with a cyst rating, of course. Yeah, we insisted that was included. And you also get a pile of VOC claims. You get a good deal of chlorine as well there. For the price, you know, can't beat it. From your standard 1 micron cyst rated block, you can move over to the lead reduction block. Got to get the lead out. So 1 mic again, cyst rated, lead reduction, VOC claims, and a pile of chlorine reduction. Again, standard sizes, 1 mic. You know, we've all heard about lead issues. Take care of it. Chloramine blocks. If you haven't heard, chloramine is in your water. You can get out of denial now. It's probably in your water. The only way to deal with chloramine is with a catalytic carbon, and in a block form it's using catalytic carbon to make your standard size blocks. Again, this is probably about a 3 micron rating. We call it a 1. Pretty much standard in the industry. Get a bunch of chloramine claim with the block, you get VOC claim with the block, and again, if you haven't heard, you're using a catalytic carbon, you are going to get a pile of chlorine claims. So start using chloramine. You've been in denial. So we gave you the basic overview of the Chester Paul carbon block line. All you got to do now is buy. It's all on sale. Smoking deals. Come on now. It's what you all want. It's what you tell me you want anyway. High quality performance at a bargain. Buy at chesterpaul.com. Thanks for listening.